Hi people! Today we're going to discuss about one of the application of fuzzy logic control. Alright, there are four main topics we are going to cover today. Let's dive into each topic. Yeah, what is fuzzy logic? Fuzzy logic is the logic that has a value of evidence or discussed between right and wrong, means 0 and 1. Fuzzy logic was introduced with the 1965 proposal of fuzzy set theory by Lofty Zadeh. Fuzzy logic is based on the observation that people make decisions based on imprecise and non-numerical information. And fuzzy logic has been applied to many fields, from control theory to artificial intelligence. Okay, you may ask me, why do we need fuzzy logic? Yeah, fuzzy logic allows for the inclusion of regular human assessment in computing problems as well. So that's why we can apply fuzzy logic.
Hi, my name is Ding year 1A149. So, one of the cool facts of fuzzy logic controller is application of fuzzy logic control in high power amplifier. It can help to reduce the power loss and double the battery life. So, as you can see, so this is the system pattern, the name of the pattern. So, fuzzy logic control of an high power amplifier will automatically help to reduce. So the input will be high signal, the output will be amplified high power output after optimized by the system using fuzzy logic algorithm. So the sensor involved in this closed loop feedback circuit is high power sensor. So now I will mention about the project. Some use how the fuzzy logic is used optimized of high amplifier. So the system use fuzzy logic algorithm in the closed loop feedback. It is for continuous monitoring and self-correlation fine-tuning for the high power amplifier. Typically, you apply a self-correlation tuning fuzzy logic algorithm and reduce any impedance mismatch between the high power amplifier and the antenna. So this will provide better match between high amplifier and antenna. So this helps to maintain the amplifier in the linear region and prevent excessive power use for the battery and help to reduce excessive power loss and double the battery lifespan.
Yeah, thank you for watching.